Hi everyone, my name is Gan Yong Wei. Can call me Rainy. My student ID is 2025.1.GE 05.0006. Today I want to talk directly to business owner and factory buyers. If you are currently renting a factory or if you're looking for a better location to build, expand or relocate your factory, when you should take a serious look at Senawang, Sungai Gadut. This area is becoming one of the most practical and strategic factory zone in Negeri Sembilan. Okay, let me explain about Senawang Sungai Gadut factory. Firstly, the connectivity is excellent. Direct access to Plus Highway, Lekas, and Elite Expressway. 45 minutes to KLIA, 1 hour to Klang Port, and 10 minutes to Seremban. KTM Sungai Gadut station is nearby, convenient for staff and logistics. Second, this is a factory-ready zone. While industry load, drainers, power supply all in place, surrounded by others operating factory. You are not isolated. Title and zoning are industry, so you can move in fast. Let's talk about the factory. We have the cluster factory, double-story semi-D, double-story detached. These factories are suitable for manufacturing, warehouse with office, assembly with packaging, machinery and equipment workshop. Other ways come from cranes, loading bay, mezzanine floor, or three-phase power, 100 to 100 amps, and many are still under construction or newly completed, which means you can buy and start fresh. Okay, let me explain who should consider buying a factory here. Why? Because for the businesses tired to renting and want to own. SME looking to expand from Klang Valley but want lower cost. For the manufacturing exporting to Singapore or Malacca. Logistic player needing midpoint storage or hub. For the entrepreneur building their first custom factory. Most importantly, this is not same like Puchong, Balakong or Shah Alam. This is not yet offer almost equal connectivity. In surrounding Sungai Gadut here, we have the light and medium manufacturing from food to machinery, furniture and metal workshop, automotive part supply, cold room and logistic hub, electronic assembly and packaging line. Many of these are SME or OEM supplier, and some are regions hub for international brand. All this around Sungai Gadut, Senawang area. If you are serious looking for a ready-built factory, semi-detached or cluster factory built to suit industry unit, then I can help you shortlist the best option in Senawang, Sungai Gadut. My name is Rani. You can call or WhatsApp me. This is my link. I will send you full brochure, arrange site viewing, and guide you on the best unit that suit your production need and budget. Thank you very much.